Hey there, it's Atlas from AI Lease Lab. If you're feeling stuck in your car lease but still have months left, there might be a smarter way out, without paying huge early termination fees. Today, let's talk about lease transfers in simple terms. A lease transfer, sometimes called a lease assumption or takeover, is when someone else steps in and takes over the rest of your lease. They make the monthly payments, handle insurance, and take the car at the end. You get to walk away cleanly, in most cases. Here's how it usually works. Step 1. Check with your leasing company. Call them and ask if transfers are allowed on your specific lease. Step 2. Find someone to take it over. You can post for free in places like the Lease Hacker Private Transfers Forum. Step 3. Handle the paperwork. The new person applies for credit. You both sign transfer documents. There's usually a transfer fee, think a few $100s. Once approved, the lease switches over. Here are the key things to watch for. Not every brand allows transfers. BMW is usually one of the easiest, but brands like Honda, Mazda, Hyundai, Volvo, and Stellantis often do not allow them at all. Some, like GM Financial, only permit in-state transfers and block the first and last 6 months of the lease. Tesla has even stopped allowing transfers on new deals. A few others, like Audi, keep you on the hook even after transferring, meaning the original lessee can still be held responsible if the new person misses payments or has issues at turn-in. Always call your leasing company directly to confirm the rules for your contract. If you want to get out early, a transfer can be one of the gentlest options when it's allowed. It's not perfect for every situation, but it can save you money and stress compared to other ways out. Always start by calling your leasing company directly. Thanks for watching. If you have questions about your specific lease or want help spotting a good transfer deal, drop them in the comments. I'm here to help. Hit subscribe for more simple leasing tips that put the power back in your hands. Drive smart, and we'll see you in the next one.